Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Morgan County, southeastern Hendricks County, until 3:30 p.m.
SVR.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Mooresville, or 22 miles southwest of Indianapolis, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Monrovia around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lake Hart around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Brooklyn, Bethany, Little Point, Centerton, and Eminence. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 50 and 65. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Hendricks and Morgan.